CBAT stock closed the session of the 24th of January 2021 at $1.15, a gain of 7.48%. The last piece of news we got about this stock was as at the 21st of December 2021, and it says here CBAK Energy Technology said on that day that its new CBAK energy unit has entered into an agreement with Azapa Research China to develop a customized battery pack. The battery pack will initially be used for testing low-speed electric vehicles made by Toyota's Daihatsu Motor Unit, and CBAT Nanjing will also cooperate with Azapa to explore projects in global markets. So that was the last piece of news, and there was also more as well. It says here that was on the 10 days before that time. It says CBAK Energy completes majority stake acquisition of Hitrans. So looking at what happened in that session, we can see it was moving pretty much sideways for a good length of time, over 2 hours, I think, over 3 hours, I think, and then suddenly spiked and continued to extend. It's now slightly lower in this post market at $0.087. Over the last 1 month, the stock has been in a bearish trend. It has been in a bearish trend. So today it has now managed to close above its previous close. Previous close was somewhere around, let me see, get the previous close. Previous close was at somewhere here. It was at $1.07. So this, we can't exactly conclude that the downward trend has ended. We are yet to see what's going to happen in subsequent sessions. So it's better than nothing. This is also coming at a time when the broader market, even though the broader market rallied, but there's a lot of weakness in a lot of growth stocks. But as CBAT stock is bucking the trend and has gained 7%. You wouldn't really expect this stock to be one that will be gaining 7% in this session. Yes, indeed, the broader market rallied, gained, but let's refresh and see what the broader market is saying. Yes, the broader market, they all gained slightly. Okay, so moving on, we can see what's going on generally. Accumulation over the last 1 month is a bearish one as well. RSI is improving, momentum strongly bullish, MACD above the signal line, and even though the accumulation distribution is bearish, but we can see that it's improving because of what happened today. So CBAT stock appears to be in a strong bearish trend, no doubt about that. Shares are below a declining 200-day moving average, and the MACD histogram, so the MACD is beneath its signal line. Okay, that is not that's based on the daily chart. Let's look at that 1 year chart, and see what's going on there. That is where the MACD is likely to be below the signal line. Yes, I think so. This one not so clear. Let's enlarge it and see if the MACD is beneath the signal line. Yes, it is below the signal line. That's true. So it's lagging the S&P 500. Momentum is strongly bearish on this 1 year chart. Yes, it's strongly bearish. Yes, the 14 period slow stochastic oscillator is below 20, the level which many analysts call oversold. This means that investors have been actively selling shares and driving the price lower. But we also know that on the 1 month charts, on the charts of this session, you can see this is the chart of the session. Okay, yes, it's also bearish, but this is just where it ended, or where this is where things are right now in this post-market session. But yeah, so on the 1 year charts, this is how things are now. Or momentum is still oversold. This means that investors have been actively selling shares and driving the price lower. Today's volume, the 24th of January 2021, was lighter than usual, trading 1.782 million shares versus an average of 2.785 million shares per day during the last 12 months. The unbalanced volume indicator is bearish. The slope of the indicator is negative and suggests that there is a lack of buying interest. So let's look at that slope. It's Okay, the slope is negative. Now I can say it's bearish, suggests that there is a lack of buying interest. So let's use the 1 month chart and see whether we can determine a price target for CBAT stock. So using this price of $1.27 attained on the 20th of, that's Thursday the 20th of January 2022, minus 1.1. What do we have? What do we have here? We have 1.27 and 1.1, so we have 0.17. That's the difference. 0.17 times 2.618 will give us 0.44506. So we add the current price of 1.14 to it. We have a target of 1.58, so our target for CBAT stock is 1.58. This is where we expect it to get to within 1 month, roughly approximately 1.59 for CBAT stock. Okay, see what you make of CBAT. The broader market sell-off has not gone away. Even this is a growth stock as well, so it may be making money, but the advice is try the all American stocks. Try them. But you decide for yourself whether it's a good buy for you, and we'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.